In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a shared document in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, to begin editing a shared document, you'll need to access Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in the address drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your Google Drive interface. Once you're on the site, the next step is to sign in. You'll want to log in using your Google credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. You can skip this step, but if not, just enter your email and password, and you'll be on your way. Now that you're logged into Google Drive, it's time to navigate to the files that others have shared with you. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the option that says Shared with Me. This will give you a list of all documents that other users have granted you access to. If you're not seeing the document you need, don't worry. There's a handy search bar at the top of the page where you can type in the document's name to locate it more efficiently. Once you've found the document you wish to edit, simply double-click on it. This action will open the document up in a new tab. Before you start making any changes, it's important to check your permissions. Look at the top right corner of the document window after it's opened. You should see a note indicating your access level. Ideally, it should say Can Edit. If it says something different, like Can View or Can Comment, that means you need to request editing permissions from the document owner. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask. Assuming you have the right permissions, you're now ready to perform edits. Depending on whether you're using Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you'll see a toolbar at the top of the page that contains various options for modifying text, formatting cells, or adjusting layouts. Using these tools is fairly straightforward. Just click on what you need and make your changes as desired. If you're working collaboratively and want to give feedback to others without making changes to the document directly, you can add comments. To do this, highlight the section of text you want to comment on, right-click it, and select the Comment option. This will open up a box where you can type your message. It's a great way to communicate thoughts or suggestions with your collaborators. One of the best features of Google Drive is that your changes are saved automatically in real time. You don't have to worry about clicking a Save button or losing your work. Every edit you make is saved as you go along. It really takes the stress out of editing documents. Finally, once you're done with your edits and feel satisfied with the changes you've made, it's pretty simple to finish up. Just close the browser tab containing the document. And there you have it. You've successfully edited a shared document in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you did. Happy editing!